Hey Adam, this is Mitch. I just want to go over 3 tips that are going to help you outrank the local competition and bring in more clients online. Because I know that you want to get a website built, so I'm just going to go over 3 tips that will help uh, kind of show you what you need to do in order to outrank the local competition, not only on a website, but also on a Google My Business. So what I'll do is I'll take a look at 3 of the local websites for power washing, landscaping, and painting, because I know that you offer all 3 of those services. And you can repeat these steps with all the different services and service areas that you offer. So the 3 things that we're going to talk about are content, backlinks, and citations. And if you can beat your competition in all of those areas, you will outrank them and you will get more clients online. So for content, Google likes to see about 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on a home page. That's just all the words that we can highlight. And Google can also see what you save your images as. So you want to make sure you're saving them as keyword intent phrases and not just letters and numbers. They don't have much content on here. I think 1,000 words would definitely have them beat. We'll look at the landscaping real quick. So they've got a little bit more content, but let's just say that the top website is this painting website, and we put it in a word counter and they have 1,200 words of content on their home page. Then you're just gonna want to have 1,500 words of content. You just want to have more than the competition. So the next thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. So all a backlink is a link from one website to another website. And when you link the websites, they're going to pass power. So not all backlinks are created equal. On Ahrefs, one of the paid tools that I use, they rank a website's power with UR and DR. You want these 2 numbers here as close together as possible and as high as possible. And that's going to lead to a more powerful website and let you rank higher for those keywords that we're going to talk about in a couple minutes. So you can see that this power washing website has 38 backlinks. Not the best power coming in. Would like to see this number a little bit higher. The landscaping, a little more of a powerful website. They have 134 backlinks coming in. The good thing is we can actually go in and take a look and see where they're getting all of their backlinks from and go after those same links, because if it put them on the first page of Google, it'll put you on the first page of Google too. All you want to do is go after those same links and then get more. And we'll take a look at the painting. Pretty good DR, but this number right here needs to be a lot higher. They have 475 backlinks, so again, go in, see what backlinks they have and all the other competition, and just make sure that you have more than everybody. So now to give you an idea of what all that backlinking will do, we'll just take a look at a few keywords real quick. So this is going to be the term that's searched on Google. This is going to be the average monthly search volume. And this is the KD, or the keyword difficulty. This column right here just tells us how hard and how long it's going to take to rank for these keywords. It's ranked on a scale of 0 to 100, with 0 being the easiest, 100 being the hardest. So you want to go after those high volume, low KD keywords. So you can see pressure washing service, Southbury CT, is searched on average 30 times a month, and it doesn't have any competition. This website is in the first position for it, so they get 11 clicks a month for people looking for pressure washing services in Southbury CT. Same for Milford, 30 searches, and they're getting 10 people a month coming to them in Milford looking for power washing. Let's just see real quick. Power washing Connecticut, that's 100 searches a month. And it does take a little bit of time to kind of find out what keywords you want to rank for and what different service areas, because sometimes individual towns will have their own search volume. Sometimes it's just going to be a statewide search volume. I know that you service Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, so depending on how far you are willing to travel is the different cities that we can look into and see if they have search volume or if it's just going to be a statewide search. But you can see here landscaping Connecticut is searched on average 800 times a month. It is a little bit more of a difficult keyword. That's not anything bad. It just means it takes a little bit longer to rank for it. This website's in the 3rd position for that keyword, and they get an average of 111 clicks per month on their website for people that are searching landscaping Connecticut. And the good thing about ranking for these keywords is that these are people that are actively searching for landscaping company CT. You aren't trying to convince somebody through an ad that they need your service. These are people that are actively looking for a landscaping company in CT. And if you can get your website to the top of the first page, you will bring in more clients from it, because people are going to click on the top businesses at the top of the page. So it does take some time. CT landscaping companies, 70 searches. Landscaping companies in CT, 80 searches. It does take some time to go through all that and find out all the different services, locations that you want to target. We'll just look real quick at painters in Connecticut. That's 250 searches a month. This website's in the first position, and they get an average of 92 clicks per month on that one keyword. So the last thing that we'll talk about is citations. So if I were to search landscaping contractor in Connecticut, you're going to get this map pack that pops up right here, and it's going to have the top 3 Google My Businesses in it. In order to get your Google My Business ranking in this top 3, which is a very powerful place to be, all you have to do is make sure your Google My Business is completely optimized. So you want to have as many pictures as possible. Google likes them saved 1024 megapixels by 1024 megapixels. They like them saved as those keyword intent phrases, and also geotag to the different areas that you service. And then down here, they're going to give you a 750 character description. You want to fill that 750 character description all the way out, or as close to all the way as possible. And even throw a few of those keywords in here as well. Then you can go after citations, which are just name, address, phone number, listed on as many online directories as possible. It's going to be like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Hot Frog. There's hundreds that you've probably never heard of. And a lot of times they're also going to give you a spot for a backlink as well. So you can kind of kill 2 birds with 1 stone and go after the citations to rank in the map pack at the same time as you're going after the backlinks to rank in the organic search engines. If you have questions about any of this, feel free to let me know. And we can definitely jump on a phone call and take a little bit of a deeper dive into this and see the best way to get you a website that will outrank the competition and bring in more clients.